Hello everyone. So here we have a question that says show that the binary operation star on a is equals to r minus bracket minus 1 defined as a star b is equals to a plus b plus ab for all a and b that belongs to a is commutative and associative on a. Also, we need to find the identity element of star in A and prove that every element of A is invertible. So first of all, we know that commutative means A is equals to B. We can easily write as B is equals to A. And we also know the associative property. So let's do this part first. So here we can see, we know that it is given in the question that star defines as a star b is equals to a plus b plus ab. So it can easily be written as b plus a plus ba is equals to b star a. Hence the star is commutative. So for proving this, we can also use numbers such as 1 into 2 is equals to like this. Okay, for associativity we need three elements because associativity can be proven by three elements also. So these are the properties that we need to remember, and by this we can solve this by, we can show this by variables or we can show this by numbers as well. So the first two part is done. Now we need to find the identity elements. As we know that identity element is E, and we know the property that A dot E is equals to E dot A and they equal to E because identity is one only. So we'll place this formula over here, and we know that identity is one only. We need to calculate the value of E, that is the identity element. So by solving this equation we can easily see that identity element is equals to 0. So now we need to check the fourth thing, whether it is invertible or not. Invertible means inverse, like if A is inverse of B or B is inverse of A, like this. So this can be checked by the formula that we know, the property that we know, that A star B is equals to B star A because it is a commutative property and that equals to the identity element. Similarly, we'll do this with the RHS part, and we can see that A is not equal to minus 1 and whereas B is equals to minus A divided by 1 plus A. Hence every element of A is invertible. Okay, basically invertible is B inverse of A. We need to calculate the inverse.